Good morning, students. Today we will study class 7th, chapter number 16, that is water, a precious resource. In previous lecture, we had studied about the different sources of the water and the water present under the soil, or that is called groundwater. The water present in ground, that is groundwater. So here we are studying about the depletion of water table. So what does it means? Depletion of water table means it is continuously decreasing. So as we draw water under the ground, that is restored by seepage of rainwater. When the rain occur, the water of rain seeped into the ground. So the water table does not get affected, but due to the natural processes the processes that is done by the human being, or the natural processes help to go down if the water is not sufficiently replenished. So the level of water goes on decreasing. So this may happen due to many reasons. So the main reasons are: number 1, increase in population, increase in industries, and increase in agriculture activities are the some common factor affecting the water table. Also, the scanty rainfall is another factor. Scanty rainfall means the rainfall which is not continuous, or we can say that not occurring on time. So next factor could be deforestation and decrease in the effective area of seepage of water. So these are the number of factors. So let us explain one by one these factors. Number 1, the increasing population. The increasing populations creates the demand for construction of houses, shops, offices, roads and pavements. So this decrease in the open areas like parks and playground. So hence the decrease the seepage of water into the ground. So as we know, the pakka floor does not allow water to seep easily. So the grassy lawn helps to seep water through in no time. So in this way we can say that, so as we know, the more huge amount of water is required for construction. So often the groundwater is used for this purpose. On the other hand, we are consuming more groundwater, and on the other we are allowing lesser water to seep into the ground. So as we consume more, but the water that is seep into the ground is lesser. So we can say that the depletion in the water table take place. So and the water table in some parts of many cities has gone down alarmingly low level. So it is continuously decreasing. So next is increasing industries. So the industries helps use water for the various need. So we use water for the production of various things. So the industries uses water for various production processes. So as the industries increases, so water used by industries are drawn from ground. Next is agricultural activities. A majority of farmers in India depend upon rain for irrigations. So the water that is irrigated to the crops are taken from canals. So also the lack of water occur due to the erratic rainfall. So rainfall also is the erratic rainfall is also cause of the decrease in the water table. So therefore farmer has to use the groundwater for irrigation. So as agriculture processes increases, the use of groundwater take place more and more. So as this results in the depletion of water table. So the next is distribution of water. So distribution of water means how the water distribute over the globe. So it is not same for all the purposes. So the distribution of water over the globe is uneven due to the number of factors. So number of factors So some place has large amount of rain are water rich. On the other hand, there are desert which have scanty rainfall. So rainfall is not same everywhere. Some has excessive rain while some has little rainfall. So we can say that excessive rain causes floods. The absence of rain results in drought. Some regions in our country may have floods while others suffer from the drought at the same time. So hence the distribution of the water in our country is not the same. So next is water management. So water management means as the supply of water is not regular, so we have to the manage water resources. So water resources can be managed by the civic authorities. So they supply water through the pipes. Not all of it may reach through destination because water supply is causing leakage and water gushing out from the pipes. So mismanagement or wastage may take place at the individual level also, which means the ourselves and you people also do these are mismanagement which leads to the wastage of water. For example, while brushing teeth, shaving, bathing, washing and during many other activities, we waste lot of water. Leaking taps is another source of huge water wastage. So we have seen the most of water that we get as rainfall just flows away. This is a waste of precious natural resource. So we have to store that rainwater. So the rainwater can be used for recharge the groundwater. This is known as rainwater harvesting or water harvesting. So about the rainwater harvesting you already studied in the previous class. So we also know as the old age practices India, water storage and water recharge take place in Bawris. So Bawris are the traditional way of collecting water. So but with time this fell into disuse and garbage start filling in these reservoirs. So we have to rethink about these Bawris. So also the farmer should be using water in the field by the drip irrigation method. So drip irrigation method is very important. So it is a technique to watering the plant by making use of narrow tubing which deliver water directly at the base of the plant. So in this way we can say that the rainwater harvesting and drip irrigation method or making of Bawris also helped in the water management. So what role you can play? So as you see there is leakaging in the taps of your houses, school and many other places. So leakaging taps waste a lot of water, but also there are number of ways you can adopt to minimize the wastage of water. So the wastage of water can be minimized. For example, turn off while taps while brushing. Most of the floor instead of mop the floor instead of washing. So you should mop the floor instead of washing. Also some other activities, use minimum amount of water for bathing. Always off the tap while it is not used. Don't use a pipe to water the plant, use sprinkler to water the plant. There are number of activities you can do or ways by which we can minimize the use of waste of water. Next is effect of water scarcity on plant. If the water is if the water decreases, the level of water decreases or we have scarcity of the water, then what happens to the plants? As we know, plants need water to get nutrients from the soil to prepare food. So if the water is not available to plant, then the green character of the planet shall be lost. So there will be no food without plants, no oxygen, no rainfall or innumerable other problems may occur. So in this way we have to save the water so that the life on the earth doesn't become so hard for each one of us. So here we had completed the chapter number 16 of class 7th. Be ready for the test. Thank you.